Hello everyone, myself Anshul Shivare. Currently I am pursuing my MBA in HR from RIM College Pune. Indian Zero brings a student ambassador program which is minimum of 45 days and can also be extended up to 6 months. It is the greatest opportunity for students who want to enhance their skills, knowledge and learnings and can also earn incentives. For more further details, you can log in into www.indianzero.com. Thank you.
Hello guys, I'm Janji. I'm pursuing my MBA Finance and Marketing in St. Joseph College of Engineering, Chennai. Right now I'm doing my marketing internship with Indian Zero. I came to know about Indian Zero and its SAP aka Student Ambassador program through my friend. I was excited to join this program because it is going to help me future ready in many aspects. SAP enhances knowledge and skill, which are a must for future career. In SAP, there are activities. Based on our activity performance, we will be awarded with points and incentives. This internship is going to be work from home with flexible timing, and there will be training sessions by professionally experienced people. At the end of this training, we will be awarded with certification from the company and LOR as per the activity we have performed. What else you could possibly expect in this quarantine period to develop ourselves? So, if you guys wish to be future ready, I recommend you to join Indian Zero right now.
My name is Pranjal Agarwal. I'm a student currently pursuing my BTech from National Institute of Technology, Uttarakhand. So I work as an intern at Indian Zero. We call it as Student Ambassador Program. Yeah, I got to know about that program through one of my seniors who is currently working with Indian Zero. He told me to get an internship in Indian Zero so that I can gain skills and an experience to how to work in a corporate sector. Indian Zero is a very good platform which provides one with a digital portfolio. Yes, you are right, digital portfolio. Digital portfolio is what a digital information about a person, about his every history he made in his career. Digital information. We come across several videos and images day by day. And humans are so fascinated and interested in these images and videos, but they are particularly interested in the data they provide. That's what digital portfolio do. They provide the data about the human being in videos, images, to links, to websites, to written data, etc. So for more information, go visit indianzero.com.
Namaste and good evening to all. My name is Chaitanya Sahu and I work as an HR intern with Indian Zero. What attracted me towards Indian Zero was that they believe in being future ready. When I say future ready, it means preparing us for the future tomorrow. Digital portfolio is something which is a very niche product. In the times to come, digital portfolio is something that will replace your traditional CVs. Digital portfolio is something that is an integrated way of capturing your academics, your professional and your extracurricular activities in one single platform.